boy Alexander here. Today I'm gonna be dissing Izzy because he wasn't around all day. We're working on this new Ferrari over here. Wow. We're working on this new Ferrari over here. Come check out the wheels. We got these 22-inch Ferrari specials, all chrome plated, chrome, everything. The whole car is chrome. I know you can't see it, it's because it's that shiny. Alright, come outside with me, buddy. See this BMW? This is a pretty cool BMW, am I right? Am I right? You see these wheels? These are, let's not get them wrong. 24s. Oh yeah, fresh. So I think this BMW is cool because the wheels sort of match the paint. That looks nice together. It's an older BMW. I believe it's a 06 and 04. Izzy knows more about it, so I'm gonna maybe go pull him and have him talk to you. But this is supposed to be a ditch. So he's looking like he's the ugliest, meanest, stupidest, most lazy. I can't believe two-timing short. He's a no good, rotten ogre.
But you, on the other hand, go to the corner and just breathe. And I'm gonna tell you, fucking breathing wrong. How about that one? Yep. So 3 words. Shut your mouth up.
He's looking like a punk over there. I'm just kidding. He's actually a really good person. I love him. He's my bestest friend. He always got my back and he's looking out for me and he's helping me fix the cars I can't fix. Actually, come outside. We'll go do a car review. Follow me, come on. Keep going. Don't worry, I'm Sk8tR Boi. 83Z28. We're not doing a review on this today. We'll actually be doing a review on this BMW I was talking about earlier. Because we like Izzy. He's pretty knowledgeable. He knows about the cars. Me, I pretend to know about the cars. Like, these hands are from just doing push-ups all day. Alright, let's get to it.
What up, you guys? We're back here, another awesome video for you guys. Daily driver, BMW X5, 2006. Awesome color, beautiful. Like we got the matching rims with it. Right now they look a little dark. When you look at them in the light, looks really awesome. It's a little something we picked up. Daily driver, you know, nothing too crazy because now summer's ending, so we don't need to bring out all the exotics. But this is a beautiful car. Once again, everybody likes it. The 3.0 6-cylinder puts out awesome power. By the way, in the winter, this thing's a tank, man. It goes to snow like anything. It's nice. It's really, really nice. Dual exhaust. Now, these sensors here, it monitors when you're reversing. So it's an awesome feature. You know, you don't crash your car, damage your bumper. It's been raining out, so sorry if you see it a little dirty, but it's my daily. And look at these sensors here. You got it in the front as well. So when you're pulling up anywhere along, you know, you won't hit anyone's car. How nice is this? You get to wash your headlights. as you drive, and you get that clear view when you're driving at night. Oh, I love these 24-inch Mazzi rims. So look at the color scheme on it. Like I said, it's a little dirty, but when you look at it in the sunlight, it's a beautiful rim. Had to pick and choose this, and it took a couple days to actually figure out what rims we really want on this thing. Look at this. Haha. Remote start. How nice is that? Look at that. I'm outside. Look at the keys. All right. So now, right, you gotta drive this car, man. This thing is awesome. You guys, like I say again, in the winter, all-wheel drive, this car is awesome. It goes up hills. Like, I can't tell you enough about this car. You guys need to own one. I could get you one. I'll sell you one if you want one. How about that? You could buy this one for the right price. You know, I'm like Rich Rebuilds. You know, one day I'm gonna get up to him and as many subscribers. Let's go for a ride. So we inside now. Come on, let's go for this ride. Leather down completely all the way around. Wood grain. Beautiful. Nice. So you stick the key in before you, because look what's gonna happen. You know, you press the brakes. Since we use the remote start, the car is gonna shut off. So now, let's go for a ride. I could have just put the key in and been all right, but I just want to show you guys. Safety first. Put your belt on. So like I said, this car got 24-inch rims. You know, it's a little heavy. It looks beautiful, you know. Winter, take them off, put the stock rims back on. It's just a nice ride in the summer. Makes your car stick out. Being a 2006, you know, you want your old car looking new. So that's the idea here at Authentic. Even with these big rims, this thing puts out awesome, goes out awesome. Sorry for the wind. Stop that right now. You know, with these big old rims, it still feels so nice. Look at that, hold on. Let's get that. Remember that, you guys? Welcome to Bristol, hometown. So it's not really much there as a speed racer car, or you know, to race and all these guys. You just want to chill, pimp it out, like you say. You know, you want people to see what you're driving when you're driving one of these. You don't want to be, you know, speeding around with a beautiful luxury car you spend all this money on. And by the way, this suspension is awesome. It's something about the suspension. Every pothole, every bump, it's built independently. So like, it has its own control arm system. So much, like I could go into specs and everything, but nah, I don't want to get into that. It's just a daily. So this is what you get. You know, you pay for these cars. You want to have a nice ride when you go on the highway. So I love it. I love BMWs. I choose it over a Honda any day. Not to say Hondas are horrible, but they just not my cup of tea, like you say. It's a little cold, but it's awesome. Panoramic, the huge sunroof. Look at that window, man. I don't want to open it. It's kind of cold out. But look at the view, man. Just roll your seats back and just enjoy the view. Watch this. Let me do it now. Yeah. See, you can just pull up anywhere. Yeah, it's a nice, beautiful day. You know what? I'm parking right here. Park. Throw the seats back. Ah, look out the sunroof. How about that view? That's so awesome. And we just pulled over to look out the sunroof. That's funny. He's like, ah, we'll just park anywhere and go enjoy our view of the sunroof.
Yeah, why not? Some nice seats. I like how they go all the way back.
Oh yeah.
I like the color.
You out of town, go out of town, there's no problem though. You can't afford a hotel room or something, you know, just pop your seats down, man. Just good night.
Yeah.
Especially if you're on the road.
Feels like you're on your couch at home.
Oh yeah. And all you smokers out there, you know, you might enjoy a nice little doobie, you know, open the moonroof up. There you go, have a good one. Hey buddy. Nice Beamer. So now, coming to that end of the ride. Hope you guys like, share, subscribe. Thank you for, you know, all those who's subscribed so far, who's been watching our videos every week, you know. Thank you, love you, family. You know, anyone that supports our channel, Wheelie Media, yeah, it's awesome. Come support the shop, Authentic. So much to say about what we can do and how cool we are. Everything. Just come down. You can come visit us. You know, hey, we do a video with you. How about that? You bring your car down. We'll shoot a cool video. But you know, just come see us. Authentic, Wheelie Media. Like, share, subscribe, and I hope you guys like our videos. And hopefully we'll pull out the racer pretty soon. Look at that, right there. The beautiful baby. I show it every video. Like, that's a nice ass car. Can't wait. My cousin's gonna come down here one day. Let's race that Fox body.
That'd be cool.
See if you can take him.
Why not? We'll get on film.
Like, share, subscribe, you guys. Tell everyone. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, you know, Alex is an awesome guy. He's my buddy, my best friend. I love the guy. You know, I can say nothing but good stuff about him. So I hope you like his ideas and what he brings to us.
Rotten Ogre.